Welcome to Casual Talk English. This channel is for you if you want to improve your English by listening to real conversations with fun.
We talk about daily life, real situations, and common topics, just like friends talking.
No difficult words, no boring lessons, just easy, natural English you can actually use.
Listen, repeat, and learn new expressions every day.
So if you want to speak English more confidently, subscribe to Casual Talk English and learn with us.
Hey, Kylie, how's your morning going?
Oh, hey, Jordan. Pretty good. I was just thinking about English speaking practice and daily use of words today, actually.
Really? That's kind of random. What made you think about that?
Smiles. Well, I was at the coffee shop this morning and I heard a tourist struggling to order. She knew some English, but she didn't know simple words like lid or straw.
Oh, the little things we use every day?
Exactly. And it made me realize how important those everyday words are. Like, we use them all the time without even thinking about it.
That's so true. We take them for granted because they're just normal to us.
Right, but for someone learning English, those words are super important, maybe even more important than fancy vocabulary.
Not. Yeah, you're not going to need the word exquisite every day, but you definitely need to know cup and napkin.
Exactly. So tell me, what have you been up to? How's work going?
Work's good, thanks for asking. Pretty busy this week. I've been training a new guy at the office, actually.
Oh yeah? How's that going?
It's interesting. He's from Brazil, and his English is pretty good, but sometimes he pauses because he doesn't know a basic word.
Like, what kind of words?
Well, yesterday we were in the break room, and he wanted to heat up his lunch. He didn't know the word microwave.
Really? The microwave?
Yeah, he pointed at it and said, the hot machine?
That's actually kind of cute. Hot machine.
I know, but it made me think. We use the microwave every single day, but if you've never learned that specific word, how would you know?
That's such a good point. It's not like you can figure it out from other words. It's just microwave.
Exactly. So I've been making a mental list of words I say all the time at work just to help him out.
That's really nice of you. You know, this is actually a really good topic. Let's talk about it more.
Daily use words?
Yeah, like, what are the words we say every single day without realizing it? The words that beginners really need to know first.
Okay, yeah, let's do this. Where should we start?
How about we start with the morning, like from the moment you wake up?
Good idea. Morning routine words.
Okay, so you wake up. The first thing you probably touch is your what?
My alarm clock. Or my phone, actually. Most people use their phone as an alarm now.
Right, so alarm, that's important. And then you probably hit the snooze button.
Every single day. 5 more minutes.
Me too. Okay, so alarm, snooze, wake up. What's next?
Well, I usually stumble to the bathroom.
Stumble, that's a good word. Like walking when you're still sleepy.
Yeah, kind of walking but not really awake yet. Demonstrates with gestures.
Perfect. Okay, so you're in the bathroom. What do?
Brush my teeth, obviously. Can't skip that.
Right, so toothbrush, toothpaste, those are essential words.
And the sink where you spit, and the faucet or tap where the water comes out.
Oh, good one. Faucet or tap. And you might need a towel to dry your face.
Yeah, a hand towel specifically. And then there's the shower.
The shower, so many words there. Shampoo, soap, body wash.
Shower curtain, shower head.
Enthusiastic. See, this is what I mean. There are so many basic words just in the bathroom alone.
We haven't even left the house yet.
I know. Okay, so after breakfast, you leave the house. What words do you need?
Well, first you need your keys.
Right, and your wallet or purse.
Phone, bag, backpack.
And you probably need to lock the door.
Yeah, the lock and key. And maybe you check the mailbox on your way out.
Oh, good one. Okay, so now you're outside. What do you see?
Let's see, the sidewalk, the street, the road.
Cars, bus, bicycle.
Traffic light, stop sign, crosswalk.
These are really important for safety too.
Definitely. You need to know stop, go, and wait.
And left, right, straight.
Oh, yeah, directions. That's crucial. Turn left, turn right, go straight.
North, south, east, west.
Though, honestly, I sometimes get confused with those myself.
Me too. I always have to think about it. Okay, so you're commuting to work. What common work words do you use?
If you drive, you need car, gas station,
Parking, parking lot, parking meter.
steering wheel, brake, gas pedal,
And if you take public transportation?
bus, train, subway,
Ticket, fare, schedule,
station, platform, track,
seat, window, door.
smiles. You know, someone learning English would be so lost without these words.
Right? Like, imagine trying to take the bus without knowing the word ticket.
That would be stressful. You'd have to point and gesture a lot.
The charades method of communication.
Exactly. Okay, so now you're at work. What are common work words?
Oh, good question. Desk, chair, computer,
Keyboard, mouse, screen, or monitor?
phone, pen, pencil, paper,
Notebook, file, folder.
meeting, office, boss, coworker.
Break, lunch break, break room.
And we're back to the microwave in the break room.
Full circle. And the coffee maker, water cooler.
Bathroom, restroom, elevator, stairs.
Exit, entrance, door.
These are used in almost any workplace.
Yeah, whether you work in an office, a restaurant, a store, these words come up.
What about shopping? That's something everyone does.
Oh, yeah, good one. Store, shop, supermarket, grocery store.
Aisle, shelf, cart, basket,
Cash register, cashier, receipt.
bag, plastic bag, paper bag,
And payment words, cash, credit card, debit card.
change, total, tax.
Price, cost, discount, sale.
Oh, sale is important. Everyone loves a sale.
True. 50% off.
Exactly. And you need to know numbers to understand prices.
Right, numbers are super important. 1, 2, 3, all the way up.
And dollar, cent, $10, 5 cents.
How much is this? That's a key question.
How much does it cost? Same thing.
What about at a restaurant? That's another daily situation.
Oh yes, restaurant words are so important.
Menu, order, waiter, waitress, or server.
Table, booth, chair,
Plate, glass, silverware, or utensils.
appetizer, main course, dessert.
Drink, water, soda, beer, wine.
Check or bill at the end.
And tip, that's important in American culture.
Very important. Usually 15 to 20%.
Right. And you might say, "Can I have the check, please?"
Or we're ready to order.
"I'll have the..." And then you say what you want.
These phrases are just as important as the individual words.
Absolutely. What about weather words? We talk about weather every day.
Oh my gosh, yes. Americans love talking about weather.
We really do. It's like our go-to small talk.
Okay, so sunny, cloudy, rainy, windy.
Hot, cold, warm, cool.
Snow, rain, storm, thunder, lightning.
Forecast, temperature, degrees. It's raining. It's snowing. It's freezing.
Beautiful day, nice weather, terrible weather.
How's the weather might be the most common question in English.
Right? Along with, how are you?
Speaking of which, greetings. Those are super important daily words.
Yes, hello, hi, hey.
Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening.
How are you? How's it going? What's up?
I'm good. I'm fine. I'm okay.
And you? How about you?
Nice to meet you. Nice to see you.
These are used multiple times every single day.
And goodbyes too. Bye. Goodbye. See you later.
Take care. Have a good day. Have a nice evening.
See you soon. See you tomorrow.
You know what other words are super common? Feelings and emotions.
Oh, true. Happy, sad, angry, tired.
Excited, nervous, worried, scared.
Bored, interested, surprised.
I feel, and then the emotion. That's a really useful pattern.
Yeah, I feel happy. I feel tired. I feel sick.
Sick is important, and words related to health.
Right. Doctor, hospital, medicine, pharmacy.
Headache, stomachache, cold, fever.
Pain, hurt, sore.
I don't feel well. I'm sick. I need to see a doctor.
These are important in emergencies.
Definitely. What about time words? We use those constantly.
Oh, yeah. Morning, afternoon, evening, night.
Today, yesterday, tomorrow.
Week, month, year.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. All the days.
January, February, all the months.
Hour, minute, second.
What time is it? What's the time?
It's 3 o'clock. It's 3:30.
In the morning, in the afternoon, at night.
Early, late, on time.
I'm always late, so I use that word a lot.
Me too. Sorry I'm late.
Okay, we've covered so much. What else is really important?
Family words?
Good one. Mother, father, mom, dad.
Sister, brother, son, daughter.
Grandmother, grandfather, grandma, grandpa.
Aunt, uncle, cousin, nephew, niece.
Husband, wife, boyfriend, girlfriend.
Family, parents, children, kids.
These come up all the time in conversation.
Always. People always ask about your family.
What about verbs, action words? Those are crucial.
Oh, absolutely. Go, come, walk, run.
Eat, drink, sleep, wake up.
Talk, speak, say, tell.
Listen, hear, see, look, watch.
Read, write, work, study.
Buy, sell, pay, give, take.
Open, close, start, stop, finish.
Like, love, want, need, have.
Think, know, understand, remember.
These are probably the most used verbs in English.
For sure, you can make so many sentences with just these verbs.
And that's the thing. With these daily used words, you can actually communicate.
Exactly. You don't need to know every word in the dictionary.
Just these common everyday words, and you can have conversations.
You can order food, ask for directions, make friends, go shopping.
You can function in daily life.
That's what language is really about, right? Communication.
Yeah, it's not about sounding perfect or using fancy words.
It's about connecting with people and expressing your needs and ideas.
Analysis. And these simple words are the foundation of that.
Absolutely. So, if someone's watching this video and learning English, what would you tell them?
I would say focus on these daily words first. Don't worry about advanced vocabulary yet.
Right. Master the basics.
Yeah, because you'll use these words every single day, multiple times a day.
And practice using them in real situations, not just memorizing lists.
Exactly. Like, actually go to a store and practice. Order food at a restaurant.
Talk to people, even if it's scary at first.
It gets easier with practice, and most people are patient and helpful.
Very true. Smile, and don't be embarrassed about not knowing a word.
Right, just ask. What's this called? Or what does that mean?
People usually love to help, and they respect that you're learning.
Definitely. Learning a language takes courage.
It really does. Anything else?
Maybe use these words in different combinations. Make sentences.
Oh, good point. Like, don't just learn cup, learn a cup of coffee or where's my cup?
Exactly. See how the words work together.
And listen to how native speakers use them in context.
Yes. Watch shows, listen to podcasts, pay attention to conversations around you.
Your brain will start to pick up patterns naturally.
This has been a really interesting conversation.
It really has. I didn't realize how many daily words we use until we started listing them.
Right? Hundreds of words. And we're just talking about basic daily life
It shows how rich language is, even at a simple level.
and how important it is to learn these basics first before moving to harder stuff.
Nods. Strong foundation, then you can build up.
Exactly. Well, I think we've given people a lot to think about.
We definitely have. My brain is full of words now.
Mine too, but it's good. It makes you appreciate language more.
It really does, and it makes you more aware when you're speaking.
Yeah, like, oh, I just used 10 daily words in that one sentence.
Exactly. We're like walking vocabulary lessons now.
I guess so. All right, well, I should probably get going. I've got to meet someone for lunch.
Oh, where are you going?
That little Italian place downtown, the one with the amazing pasta.
Oh, yeah, that place is great. Have fun.
Thanks. And thanks for this chat. It was really fun.
Thank you, too. It was great talking about this. Really makes you think.
It does. All right. Take care, Callie.
You too, Jordan. Enjoy your lunch, and remember to use your daily words.
I will. Every single one of them. See you later.
Bye.
Bye.